Matt, this was supposed to be the debate where we did get some decisive movement because there was less interrupting. We could get more policy stance from the candidates. But really for the markets, the big takeaway was that the narrative hasn't changed. That is, this narrative that's starting to develop in the market of perhaps chances for more stimulus, regardless of who's president, and that widening gap between Biden and Trump when it comes to the polls. As one trader put it to me, all Kamala needed to do was not slip up. Now, Andy Brenner from that alliance says that it's becoming increasingly clear that whoever's president, more likely Biden now, that there'll be significant stimulus and infrastructure spending. So the debate happens around here. We still get that holding on to higher yields in the long-term space and then the dollar falling. So that's a clear sort of reflationary trade there. But look, it wasn't all the same. I was able to find one instance where some policy discussion certainly moved markets in a decisive way. It came from comments from Kamala Harris over foreign policy. Take a listen.
The president's trade war with China. You lost that trade war. You lost it. What ended up happening is because of a so-called trade war with China, America lost 300,000 manufacturing jobs. Farmers have experienced bankruptcy.
Look, it's been no secret that the trade war has been one of the big tail risks looming over markets, and some hope that if there is a Biden presidency, that tail risk would disappear decisively sent stocks both in the cash session in Japan and U.S. futures higher. Here's where she makes the comments. You see the tick higher in these equity indexes. As one trader from IG Asia put it, both VP candidates, they certainly had a message of protecting America first, or really just America in general. America first, of course, being the Trump campaign slogan among them. But it was Kamala Harris's comments that made it seem like they would be less aggressive towards China, less combative, and the markets indeed liked that. Anna, Matt?